Hello brothers, sisters, so we West Africans, we really love salted fish, and almost all our delicacies, salted fish is being featured in. So here in Ghana, we believe that salted fish really adds flavor to your dish. So we don't joke or play with it when we are cooking any soup or stew or dip. Okay, so palm nut soup, peanut soup, contombre stew or taro leaf stew, etc. We make sure that we add salted fish to our recipe. So there are 3 types of salted fish that I know, and I know most of you also know. So the first type is the fish type of salted fish. So the fish version, we have 2 types. We have the kobe and the momone. That's how we call it locally in Ghana. So the kobe is very hard and the momone is very soft. So the kobe, after the salt is being applied, is left under the sun for the sun to dry it together with the salt, whilst the momone is being left inside a pond full of water and salt for 10 days. That's why it's soft. So I've done a full video about how salted fish is being done in Senegal. Check in the description box and watch the full video for yourself and have an insight how this process is done. So this type of salted fish is really soft, so it always dissolves or melts after cooking. Okay, so you can't chew it like fish or meat because it melts. And the second one is like a seafood. So they use squid or octopus or any other seafood like snail, any other, to prepare this kind of salt fish. This type doesn't dissolve or melt, so after cooking you can chew like chewing meat or fish, like this type. Okay, and the last but not the least is one type that most people get shocked when they get to know that, or they get to find out that the type of meat or fish that they use to prepare this salted fish. So Ghana, we call it kako. Some also call it atinkwem or otinodem. So this kind of salt fish also doesn't melt. Okay, it's very hard, so after cooking you can chew it like fish or meat. And as I said earlier, we love salted fish because it really gives flavor and good taste to your meal. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the last part or the last type of salted fish that is called kako or atinkwem. So they use shark. Okay, they use shark to prepare this salted fish, and most people doesn't know, and most people get scared or get shocked because they have no idea that they use shark to prepare this kako. So I believe that now that you've seen this video, you have the idea that they use shark to prepare salted fish. And now when you are eating, you have it at the back of your mind that you are eating shark, which is nice, it's edible. Okay, and one thing is that in the Ghana waters, shark is not being found. Okay, that's why we have our Ghanaian fishermen that have also migrated to Gambia to do this kind of business in Gambia. So most of the fishermen in Gambia, the majority of them are from Ghana. Okay, they are from Ghana because they really went there to do this kind of business. And so most of the kako that you see at Mankesim or in Ghana is shipped from Gambia or Senegal to Ghana. Okay, so that's the kind of business that is running in these 2-3 countries. And I recently heard that Sierra Leone or Liberia too, they process the salted fish over there, but I believe that's not that much quantity than like Senegal and Gambia. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If today is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco, share is very important, and let's discover ourselves. One. Well, I saw someone in Senegal who knows me. Unbelievable.
I follow you on Facebook.
You follow me on Facebook?
Of course.
Really? What's my name?
Man, I forgot, but
you know me?
Yeah,
really? Are you Ghanaian?
I'm a Ghanaian.
Oh! Oh, this guy so much hard though. I don't treat that to come.
Oh, you can cheat.
It's what's one off for now? What's more? Man, this guy's like a man in Senegal. Langradef? Man, this guy far gone. It's far. Wow.
The mess rules. Some me this the kakoma madofo and I'm a bushna for Ewa Ghana. They defer tap sing.
And one any night.
This is here, this is tap at the best so far.
I don't see some yes, and this kakofia na a tap.
Tap saying will be around down the up now.
And the reason I changed over to tap then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. Tap is very secured.
What I like about Tap is that transfer is immediate. Like you get to resolve secured when Tap never had any issue.
Tap sing and no one abroad for you na ya jiatum. Tap sing, papa no.
obeda and man no sit then cry
Tabia takum wedi emema yedro no eme yenya hoden ene hoden ye eye memedro enu ti na banme bi ahia bi no eye memedro ma banme bi a wedi mfie di wotwe ko bi opedi du etu aton bia enko chemical shops pharmaceuticals ene herbal shops bia e wo Ghana hanum be bia anase freying e wo 0243 686861 ana 0245749206
FD ajisa echodi nkatu ya tu
kaise tabia takum ye bemme bia ye takum
borom jalala ak jamala sunu serigne xeram lotilen deg lotilen mangi way borom jalala ak jamala sunu serigne xeram lotilen deg lotilen mangi way borom jalala ak jamala sunu serigne lergo gadi kamal jitulo sendi mom dinuru samawati wal arde sunu serigne la tax borom xam xam yana lidu de dafani al baqi degal may sunu serigne la tax borom xam xam yana lidu de kafani al baqi degal may sunu serigne la tax borom xam xam yana lidu de kafani al baqi degal may sunu serigne bur ya Allah wanana mat gasali uduma asali walazi wax jalerna sunu serigne bu se bambane won ken yaay man musiw wa inni se sali rek lam xam sunu serigne bu se bambane won ken yaay man musiw wa inni se sali rek lam xam sunu serigne bu yàlla ma sa doon wan nga say ñoñ sa mbir akada wane si dolem ci gañaay sunu serigne bu yàlla ma sa doon wan nga say ñoñ sa mbir akada wane si dolem ci gañaay sunu serigne borom mandu geek te kam gi kuy xar ku lay yërëm ëllëg faatoo la te xam sunu serigne amul mas amul dendando wa jangi ni weeru si jamam do ko recco sunu serigne serigne sali wo gën lépp loo seen xanaa xamoo ni ku fi am moo la jox mooy sunu serigne serigne sali wo gën lépp loo seen